presenting here is Toyota's vision for the future of logistics. And we're working with Microsoft here to enable a concept, an idea for AGV deployment moving forward. One of the biggest issues for our customers today is the deployment time or implementation time for an automated solution, so AGVs into a warehouse environment. And the other perceived problem with automation is in lack of flexibility. So what we're doing is working with Microsoft to explore opportunities for the use of AI to help us with reducing the deployment time, and two, the increased flexibility once deployed. So what you can see behind me on this screen is an example of how we're using virtual reality and a virtual environment, a digital twin of a real environment, to train the AI to work in a logistics flow. So what you see there is one of our pallet drones learning almost like a child in this digital twin of a customer's warehouse. So our idea, our concept, our vision is to be able to 3D scan a customer's warehouse, then make the digital twin, then deploy the AI for it to learn in an environment pretty much in the same way that a child would learn. Once it's deployed, it will continue to optimize within this virtual environment. And then once we've verified and we're happy with the quality of that AI, we can deploy it onto the vehicles immediately. So that means we can turn around something that would take a number of weeks to implement into a one-day deployment. And that's our goal, using both Microsoft products of IoT Edge and Microsoft Azure cloud platform.